3M strip crown forms present a simple yet effective solution to efficiently restore natural beauty. 3 primary materials make up this procedure. 3M strip crown forms, Filtech Supreme Ultra Universal Restorative, and Scotch Bond Universal Adhesive. This clinical case shows the treatment of a primary upper incisor with a 3M strip crown form. Prior to starting a case, be sure to have all necessary materials and instruments handy on your tray. Then place a rubber dam to ensure a clean, dry environment and good visibility. If necessary, remove caries and perform pulp therapy. If bleeding occurs, use a hemostatic agent to control it. Then seal the pulp. Then perform tangential prep with a diamond burr to prepare for the 3M strip crown form. Select and trim the 3M strip crown form. You may place vents on the incisal edge of the crown form to allow for overflow of excess restorative material. Then, try in the 3M strip crown form. Etch the prepared tooth with Scotch Bond Universal Etchant. Bond with Scotch Bond Universal Adhesive and light cure. Apply Filtech Supreme Ultra Flowable Restorative to fill any undercuts. In this example, shade A1 is shown. Light cure the restorative material. Then fill the 3M strip crown form with composite material Filtech Supreme Ultra Universal Restorative. In order to avoid creating air bubbles, add the restorative material gradually using light pressure. Gently press the 3M strip crown form onto the tooth abutment. Remove excess composite material. Light cure the restorative material with the 3M strip crown form in place. Remove the 3M strip crown form with a pointed probe. You may finish the margins with a fine diamond burr or a superfine Softlex disc. Finally, polish the restoration with a silicone cup or the Softlex diamond polishing system. The result is a quick and simple yet highly aesthetic and natural-looking anterior restoration.